That's a lot of rain, huh? Ever wonder what happens to all that rain once it falls? Well, for starters, it's called stormwater. Once it falls, it can soak into soil, which happens if it lands on a natural surface, such as a forest floor. That's infiltration. Or it can land on a non-natural surface, like a parking lot, and run off of it. Some runoff is natural, but too much can carry pollutants like litter, excess fertilizer, or exposed soil into nearby streams, rivers, lakes, and oceans. Runoff can also cause erosion of stream banks and exposed soil due to the power of the quickly moving water. Because of these damaging impacts, it is very important to manage stormwater. There are existing methods in place to manage stormwater, but after completing almost 200 interviews with people in the stormwater field, we learned that they are not satisfactory for those building the projects or the environment housing them. Sorry for the impromptu science lesson. My name is Ginny Trouth, and I'm a civil engineer, and this is my mom and collaborator, Kate Trouth. She's also a civil engineer, as well as a professor at the University of Missouri. Together we make up Infiltronics Environmental. We are passionate about stormwater management because it impacts everyone and everywhere, and because water is such an important resource, but also has the potential for harm if not managed properly. We hate to see the negative impacts of poorly managed stormwater around the country and right here in mid-Missouri. Here, you see erosion, pollution, and degradation of stream banks. These are caused by increased runoff from increased impervious surface and more intense storms. One place we are particularly interested in is Rockbridge Memorial State Park. These are two sites impacted by stormwater runoff at the park. We are excited to have an agreement with the Missouri Department of Natural Resources Division of State Parks to further research, increase stormwater education, and address these impacts by installing 2 configurations of a new stormwater management technology we are developing. This technology works to mimic natural stormwater processes by using redistribution, that is, spreading the water out, to increase infiltration. It is composed of geotextile tubes filled with a variety of aggregate, like gravel and sand. Changing the configuration and size of the aggregate allows us to engineer how the concentrated water from a site moves through the soil. Each installation is site-specific based on soil, slope, amount of rain in a location, and area of non-natural cover. It is patented, has been lab tested, and is already installed on one site. This device will not just be suited for Rockbridge. With these sites and the data collected from them, we plan to get this technology adopted for use in new development, redevelopment, and mitigation of eroded areas. Utilizing this device will result in better outcomes for the people using it and the environment housing it. To help make this project a reality, we are launching a Kickstarter campaign. Your financial support will make this project possible. Funds will be used to buy raw materials to construct the units, buy sensors to make sure the devices are functioning correctly, and pay for excavation, installation, and manufacturing services and time. This project will give us the level of partnership and validated data to begin deploying this technology on erosion mitigation, new development, and redevelopment projects. We really need your help and generosity because we can't do this without you. Please partner with us in our efforts to improve stormwater management in Rockbridge Memorial State Park, mid-Missouri, and the country as a whole through your financial contribution. To keep up with us and share our story, check out our Kickstarter, website, and social media. Thank you.